New deals just dropped. Yes, new deals, clearance, and some weird stuff that I saw. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more review of videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Talking about weird stuff, check this out, guys. You guys see something weird about this picture? Something out of the ordinary? It's an oversized mower. Check the size of this thing. This thing's massive, huge. It's gonna be really heavy mower, but check this out. It's the new mower from Ryobi, 80 volts. So this is just under $2,000. It is a 30-inch 80-volt mower. So this thing is a beast. It's a massive beast. It is self-propelled, thankfully, because who wants to push something like this? So I wish I would have had this back in my younger years when I was mowing yards. Well, actually, because I live in quarter acre or half an acre yard, so wish I would have had one of these. But if you guys look at the specs, so it is 80 volts, 1 hour, 10 amp hour battery. It says include one 80 volt, 10 amp hour battery, up to 90 minutes of runtime. That's a lot. 60-minute charge time, 30-inch cutting width. So you're getting a lot of mower for the money. Yeah, guys, because you're pretty much getting $1,000 worth of mower or $2,000 worth of mower, but you're getting the size, you're getting everything on this. I think it's meant for somebody that has a bigger yard. So, all right, talking about mowers, here's another one. This is the new Dewalt. If you guys see a difference, compared to the box on the side of it, on the right you got the Makita. You guys how small, how slim this mower is. This is a really nice mower because it's smaller, takes less space, but $6.99. You guys look at the runtime, it only gives you 2 hours and 30 minutes. But if you guys see the difference, this one's 5 hours and 5 hours. But if you have those batteries at home, the runtime doesn't really matter because you already got the batteries at home, right? All right, clearance section here. Let's see what they got. They got this fan light combo here for $217. If you guys are doing remodels, and then they got this pole saw for $99 was $159. They got the brush cutter attachment $49. Then from $119. That's what they look like. They got a lot of clearance. And then you got a nice chest there, a nice cooler. Coleman, $69 and 50 looks like 56 or. And then they got another cultivator attachment there for $99. So pretty nice. And then they got this this rack with chainsaws or chains for chainsaws. And then they got the 52-1 mixtures, gas, and some more chainsaw oils. So, all right, more clearance. $897. This is a killer deal. You're getting 10, 15 amp. If you guys have rental properties, this is the time to buy these. Stock up on these. That's a really good deal on those. You got $81. They're from $89. There's a nice stackable base cabinet, 27-inch. And then they got this tote bag. It's a 14-inch tote bag, $29.88. And then $379 for this drill impact driver kit. From the rigid, all brushless, and you got the hard case and all that. Laser level, 108 down from 154. That's not bad. And then you got a green one there for 101. And a red one for 49. Alright, you got this ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, $79, was 99. You got a 1.56 pack charger and a 2-pack charger. I mean, it's a twin base charger basically. Now I saw this, guys, but right by the clearance section. I have no idea what the price of this is, and I did tell you the truth, I did not want to find out, because if I would have seen this for $100, I would have, or $200, I would have taken this in a heartbeat, and I don't want to waste any money. But yeah, make sure you guys keep an eye out for those. For those are clear, those the holiday bundles. Got a steel mailboxes. If you guys do it again, remodels. Impact set there. It's socket impact set swivel. That's a nice deal for these. You got SAE metric. It is a 7-piece. Just come with an organizer. So $50 down from $69.97. And then you got this. These are just regular impact sockets, 3/8 drive, $20, $24. You got a hybrid work light, 81 down from 89. And then these are the newer buy more save more. So make sure you guys jump on these, get your selection, because the best ones are gonna sell out. All right, to start here to the right, we got the whole hog, $2.99. A point saw, $3.99. A circular saw, $2.49. And then you got the rear handle circular saw, a router, and then one-handed reciprocating saw. The new high torque impact wrench, valued at $279. You guys are gonna hack that crazy. SDS 1-inch SDS rotary hammer, and then you got the hydraulic driver surge, angle grinder, the 8 amp hour battery starter kit, the drill driver hammer drill driver kit. You got 18 gauge straight finish nailer, a 12 amp hour battery, guys. Yeah, you guys want to hack that for sure. A hammer drill by itself, $199. All right, some other deals that they have here is these Powerstack or forged lithium deals. So you buy this $399 kit and get a free 6 amp hour battery, and then this one at the bottom you get a 5 amp hour battery. So these are both pretty good. And yeah, the surge, it's down to $179 for the 6 amp hour, and the dual port, the newest charger, which is the supercharger, is $229. Charges batteries in 15 minutes, according to what they say. You got the high torque impact wrench kit for $399, and then you got a special buy 5-tool combo kit, which I would stay away from because most of those are brush tools. Alright, so talking about the newer batteries, these are the Forge 6 amp hour battery, $179, down from $199 on sale. And then they got this butcher block countertop type of style for $199 on sale. I just thought I'd show you guys something different because these are really nice. Alright, let's see what we find and see if we find anything new in here. I'm not going to show you guys everything that we saw before, but alright, talking about new, this is a newer clearance item. You can, you should be able to see this at your stores. I've seen a lot of these. $299, down from basically half off on those. You got a 6-port charger. It is compatible with the pack out. So $249. So those of you on the trades, this is going to be very useful for you guys. Alright, so newer deals. Yes, more newer deals just dropped. This is the Dewalt Powerstack combo or whatever, buy one get one free. You got the sander, you got the drywall cutout tool, the reciprocating saw, the ratchet, the drywall screw gun, the circular saw, angle grinder, impact wrench, 1/2 inch and 3/8. Yes, the 3/8 is included, so definitely get that one because you'll never see that one. And then the router, and then to the right you got the combo kits there. And then the free battery. Obviously this is going to be your free battery, so killer deal. Even if you guys hack this, gonna get this for around $100. I'm probably gonna pick up myself a couple of those circular saw, especially for you guys are tools testing. You guys like me doing that, so I need a few of those. You got the reciprocating saw, the impact driver, or the impact wrench. All right, so more newer tool deals here. You got the angle finish nailer for $399. You got the crown stapler $319, brand nailer kit $319. Angled finish nailer for $399. A miter saw double bevel $369. It's not a slider. Keep that in mind. It is not a slider. 18 gauge brand nailer kit with the compressor. Alright, so I still think these are the best bang for your buck, especially for you guys starting out in the trades. They got a whole bunch of these. I don't know if they got those on sale. They got a big sale coming up on those. So they got the $199. Now they have it up, right? The $199 starter kit, get a free tool. I still think these are pretty good deals, especially for those people that don't have a lot of money to spend. You want to just get something started up, get your business or get your Get your treads going. These are great, very inexpensive tools. However, the fuel is not that much more, guys. Especially if you guys do hack them, it is not that much more. I personally, have most of these tools in fuel, and they do work a lot better. All right, so you got the new buy more save more, or buy one get one free for the M12. You got the nibbler, the right angle impact bench, the newer jigsaw, barrel style jigsaw. All those qualify for a free battery. You guys know what that means, right? Hacking time. Get your good deals out. Make sure you guys put your work boots on and go and get them, guys. Go and get them at the stores. Guys, that's it for today. Just thought I want to show you guys what's up with this newer deals and stuff. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.